Hi, I'm Christina Chu. I'm a computer web specialist. I'm going to show you how to make small capitalization using Microsoft Word. Now we're going to open our Microsoft Word here, and as you can see, we have a dummy sentence available that says, I love small bottle caps, with the words caps in uppercase letters. If we want to change it, we simply highlight the word with our mouse, and inside of your font, you should see a little arrow, and we'll go click that little arrow. It'll open up a small menu, and then you see font, and then you see font style, size, and under effects you should see small caps. So we're just going to check that box right there, small caps, and click on OK. Or if you want to do in other words, click on small caps right here, click on the word small right here, click on the arrow, click on small caps checkbox, and then click OK. And now you can see the word small is in small capitalization while the word caps is in big capitalization. And that is how you make small capitalization using Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Christina Chu.